Check it out. We just got LifeBasis Rechargeable Power Scrubber Mini. So this is a small one. But let's get it out of its package and see what it looks like. Alright, so it's got a bunch of stuff in here. There's a bunch of these pads. Alright, you see that? USB. Here's the thing itself. Alright, so you've got to put it on the end there. It does come with this. Oh, check this out. So you've got one of these scrubber brushes. So I'm imagining that these somehow go in there like that. And then you just press this button. That baby's ready to go. We're scrubbing. Take it off like that. All right, so let's set that down. So that's the one thing. And then they have these, which it looks like this is, you put this on there if you want to have a handle. But this looks like Velcro. You go like that, right? And then you can do the same thing with this. And so you're, sanding with it. All right, so that's kind of cool. Set that down for a second. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Hang on. More heads. Ooh, that one. That was sharp. Here's another one. Same thing. And then you get these. So here's all your heads. Let me get them all out. All right, so you got this one. It's like a sanding head. You got a little itty bitty pointy one here. See how pointy it is? And you got a regular one. Then you got a bigger one. Then you got this one that you get inside stuff. So it's got 5 different heads. Comes with these extra sanding devices or scrubbing devices that are Velcro. And then you get the machine itself right there. And you get this cord with it. So you get all that stuff. And we just got to try it on something. See how it works. I mean, I think it's going to work good. Here, I'll put another one of these in there. Check it out. Yeah, I don't know if it has different speeds. It sounds like it's just got one speed. And on the bottom, there's a little spot to charge it. It's USB-C, which I have a bunch of them. And you just plug it in. Just like that. And look, you can see it's charging. Let's pop that off, and then we'll just set it down here and let it charge. And I think when this goes off or turns green, then we're ready to rock and roll. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.